Got a really unusual West Coast chopper bike that somebody put a 3.5 horsepower Briggs motor on. He said it hasn't run in about 5 years. I'm gonna try and start it. Gonna try and start it with the starting fluid. I don't really like spraying starting fluid in it, but we'll try it and see what happens. I kind of think it'll take right off and start up. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe it's got a shut off somehow. I don't know. It's very different. He wanted $50 for it. I gave him 40. He even helped me load it in my van. I had to drive home. I paid for it and I drove home, and then I took the van and drove back. I got a real good deal for $40.